The Rheem Tankless water heater error code 12 indicates a flame failure problem, which can be caused by clogged filters, low gas pressure, or a faulty flame sensor. To fix this error, start by checking the gas pressure. Inspect the gas supply line for visible signs of damage and replace any damaged pipes with new ones. Use a manometer to measure the gas pressure, and if it's low, adjust it from the regulator, ensuring the gas inlet valve is fully open. Next, inspect and clean the filters by unplugging the heater from the water and power supply, removing the covering panel to access the filters, and checking for sediment buildup. Clean the filters with a soft brush and rinse them under running water before reassembling them to the heater. If the issue persists, the flame sensor may be faulty, so unplug the heater, access the sensor, and disconnect it for inspection. Clean the sensor's surface with steel wool, and if it's severely damaged, replace it with a new one. Reassemble the heater and test it. If it still doesn't work, contact a professional for further guidance.